So we've been traveling to different places here in Isabela, Cagayan, Kalinga, Apayao, Ifugao, even in Metro Manila, at sa abroad. Madalas si Sir ang nagdadrive para sa amin. So kahit may edad na si Sir, pinipilit pa rin niyang mag-drive para sa amin. Bawal matulog, so kailangan kakwentuhan mo siya. Kasi kung hindi makakatulog si Sir. I remember one time he said, nakatulog 5 seconds, sabi niya. Sabi namin, Sir Hana, baka damdama heaven na, sabi namin. So, si Sir, lagi niyang bit-bit yung insulin niya kasi alam natin diabetic si Sir. So, ganun si Sir. Yun yung manifestation kung paano siya magtrabaho. So his unwavering dedication and passion to work, to teach as a public servant really inspired us all. We are also a witness to how much he loves his family. He's a very good provider, and he's very proud of their children. Lagi niyang kinikwento yung mga anak niya kung gaano niya sila kamahal, kung gaano siya ka-proud sa kanila. Baka yung isang worry ni Sir, ngayon wala na siya, pero I'm sure God will always be there for them. Si Sir, alam natin kung gaano siya ka-religious. May miss nating lahat yung thoughtfulness niya sa lahat ng mga cause. Lagi yang nauuna kung hindi man siya yung pangalawa. Everyday yung Bible verses andyan. So ngayon, Sir, kami naman yung mag-pray para sa iyo. So may your soul rest in eternal peace. At syempre, yung family na maiiwan mo, I know how much you love and care for them. So, Sir, we will miss you, but your legacy will forever remain in our hearts. We love you so much, Sir Binson.